Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rate the Plains Live application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and then at the more section click on the rate as button, and at this section first you can give as many stars as you want by clicking on it. Here you can give a title, if it's a complaint, if you want to report a bug, or if you're just generally satisfied with the application, and you can also write your further opinion, but that's optional. And then just click on the send button, and here you can give a nickname for your future opinions and ratings as well, and then just click on the confirm button, and it is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.